Hello, and welcome to this video tutorial on how to add and edit a constraint in Analytics Solver platform. Here's the same small optimization model from our first video where we added 3 variables in cells C14 through E14. This model also contains 5 constraints. G18 through G22 must be less than or equal to H18 through H22. To add these 5 constraints to our model, simply highlight the left-hand sides of the constraints in G18 through G22, then select Constraints, Normal, Less than or equal to on the ribbon. The Add Constraint dialog appears, with the cell reference field pre-filled with the left-hand side of the constraints, G18 through G22. In addition, the sense of the constraint has also been pre-selected, less than or equal to. Select the constraint field and either type or select cells H18 through H22. Then click OK to add the constraint. The constraints G18 through G22 must be less than or equal to H18 through H22 are added under Normal in the Constraints section of the Solver task pane. Solver will treat this constraint block as 5 different constraints. G18 must be less than or equal to H18, G19 must be less than or equal to H19, G20 must be less than or equal to H20, and so on. Alternatively, you could also add a constraint or block of constraints by right-clicking Normal and selecting Add Constraint. The same Add Constraint dialog appears. To edit an existing block of constraints, right-click the constraint block and select Edit. The Change Constraint dialog opens. Within this dialog, you can either type or use the Ref Edit control to select the correct cell range, then click OK. To delete a constraint or block of constraints, simply click the X on the pane. Now you're ready to add the objective. Please see the next video for help. To contact our technical support staff, please click the link that appears on the screen now.